Hello everybody, thanks for stopping by Buck Does It. Today we're going to do a video on the first drive. We'll turn around in the parking lot here, or in my driveway, and then I'll throw in an update after that. Here we go. Out of gas. But it's moving on its own. All right. Hey, check this out. All right, time for an update. I figured I'd do a little before and an after here. I get some rust holes here, rusted away here and here. It was rusted away around here. I already put a little patch panel in here. Let's see if we can see it in here. You can see the patch panel I put right there. Let me fix this rust up, that rust up. Then I got holes down in here and over in here and stuff. I wanted to do all of this stuff now while the trunk has a big hole, so if I have to crawl in there and weld, I can. So we'll give you a shot afterwards too. I got all this metal fixed up around here. The light fits in there real nice, and while I was at it, I got all the paint and all off the back here, and had to do a little bit of fixing up over here too. And then I also had to do a little patch panel right in here, which is all done. I also got all my holes fixed up under here. This is all new metal in through here. It's just pieces here. I think this is a piece from here to here. And then got this all painted out. What else I'm working on is I just got a buddy of mine gave me a tank that I can use to mock up. And I got some metal. I just went and got metal today, and I got some tubing for support. So that's my next big adventure, is this trunk floor here. And then what else I got going on is I put some exhaust pipes on it. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, I found a 4-foot piece of 3-inch and a stainless steel elbow, and made myself some turn downs. So I was real cheap on Facebook Marketplace. So I got a little bit exhaust on there. I did put the fuel pump switch in, put the battery up on the floor there, so that's not hanging up on the cowl there, ready to fall off. Got my tail lights, all the paint cleaned off the lenses the best I could. I got one together here ready to go. Also got some fuel line. So once I get the fuel cell put in, we'll be able to put the fuel line in then too. And we're getting there. So let's see if we can get out here and I don't know if you can see now. I can't see it. There we go. All right, so with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Remember to be good. Can't be good, be kind. See ya.